Alright, here's a Subaru. Did a Sure Grip, push buttons, left side gas pedal. There's a button for the left side gas pedal to engage. Tuck the wires up pretty good. Whole bunch of nests right here. If you can see it, actually, it's all right there. Left side gas pedal right here. And then when this button's on, basically, this is not working. But it's just tapped. It's pretty simple. It's just tapped up there. It's not too bad. So you gotta zip tie this over here somewhere. Haven't done that yet. Oops. There's all the wiring harness. Over here, 2 modules are on the side. Just gotta undo all these clips. Control module right next to that's my stuff. You tap to the OBD2 to use it, just unplug it, and that's for the left side gas pedal, alright? That's not for the signals. So we got this one, she wanted it customized. So this is the horn. This is disabled. This is, I think, the windshield wipers. Gotta make sure to get back. I'm gonna keep on going. Tap it twice. You go a little faster, 3 times the fastest setting. Tap it again. Turns it off. Hold the button down for a wash. Ugh, I got sprayed, but it should stop. Okay. Left turn signal. Okay, press it again to turn it off. Right turn signal. This is where the original one is, so you can do still left, just like normal. Right turn signal. Turn off. It'll go off eventually, but you can press it again to turn it off. Right turn signal, easy enough. This is for the high beams. This is on auto, but if the lights aren't on, the actual high beam doesn't work. So let's turn it on, and you'll see the high beam is right here. Tap it once to flash it, hold it down 5 seconds to leave it on, or 3 seconds. Tap it again, turn it off. Alright, instead of going all built in here. Okay, so this is removable, it's Bluetooth or what have you. It takes a battery. Alright, so you can take it off. No wires connected to this thing. So watch, I'll take it off right now. Horn right here, there's a horn. Watch. Oops. See, horn still works right here too. Alright, plug it back in. It's locked into place. I'll go a minute, clean as possible. There's a button right there. Cleanest job you'll see. Other people do it ridiculous, ugly, but I shoot to be the best. So there you go. They gave me a bracket, a mounting bracket to mount this through the steering column. I didn't do it because it looks ridiculous. So I mounted. There's actual metal plate behind here. Self-tapped it a few times and bada bang. Made that bracket flat. Made a little bend to it so it doesn't touch this center right here for the Sure Grip. You see it? I bent it up slightly right there on the foot plate. Worked out like a glove. Okay, simple enough. And this is for a Subaru. I don't want to show the license plate, sorry about that. Oops.